Hey Free Woman. So it's been really windy here lately and the weather has been pretty crazy and trees have been falling everywhere, which is sometimes a little scary. But it's a jungle and it's always regenerating and it provides great mulch for these garden beds that we are currently making. Here I am just outlining a garden bed. These beds will have weeds and all sorts of life growing in them, helping keep the topsoil in place, retaining water in the dry season, and helping shade seedlings that are growing up that can't take too much sun out in the field. It's also going to reduce the amount of mowing necessary, as we're just leaving paths that we can walk along and pick fruit from eventually. As you can see, that some of these logs are really quite heavy, so I just get my strength workout out in the field without paying for some expensive gym membership or personal training or anything like that. Just out in the field, planting and making this food forest for the future. So here I am planting some yummy sugarcane. Oh, sugarcane juice is so, so good. Pigs destroyed our first attempt, but of course we're not going to let that stop us. I really enjoy planting things because I feel a sense of contribution, and I know this time investment that we are putting in now will pay off so much in the future with beautiful organic fruits and veggies. So we've been needing a permanent door for a while now, and previously we've just been using a huge hardwood, huge heavy hardwood plank. So Robin decided to whip up a bamboo one. Ooh, that's awesome. It's very hard to get straight bamboo, so there are a few gaps, but I actually like it like that as the sun flickers through, and it's beautiful. Okay, so now onto the DIY shampoo. I have had so much success with this shampoo mixture, and it's only 2 ingredients. Honestly, my hair it feels amazing after I use it, and I'm not selling it or anything like that. It's just an awesome mixture. So I'm aware of the pH level concern with shampoos and conditioners and have taken that into account with this recipe. So you simply mix a few tablespoons of bicarb soda with a few squirts of lime or lemon juice and just mix it up until it becomes that sort of shampoo-y consistency. So the optimal pH for a shampoo is debated, highly debated, but said to be around 5.5. And the pH of the juice is around 2.6 and the bicarb is around 8. So that actually brings the solution to around the optimal level. You know, you can also use pH sticks to try and determine the pH level of the shampoo. And if you feel like your hair is dry or unbalanced from this combo, then you can finish with the coconut milk conditioner that I made in my other video. But I actually just leave it, and my hair is just really silky, very silky, clean feeling. Like, it's really, really good if you've got oil buildup. That said, I only use the mixture maybe once a week because that's all I need. And, you know, I prefer to go the more like no poo route most of the time, where I'm just, you know, massaging some water through my scalp and not putting much in there at all. But this is a great mixture and so cheap, so cheap. You don't need to be buying these, you know, stylish shampoos and conditioners that contain all these chemicals that's just going to build up in your hair. No way. That is not healthy. Even if your hair might feel kind of silky or something like that, you're just leaving this build-up of chemical residue in your hair. Now I always love to wash my hair in the pristine creek water with it beating down on my scalp because it's actually soft, natural water, which is healthier for your hair. Yep, there is actually such thing as soft water if you research it, and also super invigorating. I find soft water in particular leaves my hair and skin much smoother and silkier than treated chemical water that is commonly found in cities. And it makes complete sense because this water is coming from the sky, it's coming from the mountains, it's completely natural, it's pristine, and hasn't been treated at all. I really feel so grateful to have this pristine creek to bathe in, and I know not all of you have this opportunity, of course, but you can do the next best thing, which is buy filters for your shower and for your drinking water. It really does help a lot. So here is a good shot of how my hair looks after using this mixture, and it stays oil free and silky for days. Like I said, I only use the mixture about once per week. Okay, free women, I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next video.